Hello viewers, today we'll be making sourdough bread. So let's get this party started. We're going to start with 1 cup of warm water. 1 cup of traditional sourdough yeast. Now if you're having a little trouble with your yeast or you think it's not activated, you can go ahead and add a little bit of instant bread yeast. Very important you get all the yeast out. Two tablespoons of melted butter. Three cups of all-purpose flour. There we go. Next comes a tablespoon of sugar and about a teaspoon and a half of salt. It's all simple. Now it just goes back into the machine, put it in so, and twist. And we're gonna set it to menu 3, natural sourdough. £2 loaf. And we'll stick with medium color. Time to hit that start button. And we're gonna go ahead and check in on this to make sure it's not too dry or too wet. If it's too wet, add a little bit of flour slowly until it gets the right consistency. And if it's too dry, add a teaspoon of water. Okay, let's go ahead and check in on it. And this is about the consistency you would like to see. If it needs adjustments, go ahead and make them now. Okay, it's done, so I pulled it, put it on a cooling rack, and it'll sit here for about 2 hours. Okay, I've got my Henkel's bread knife here. I'm just gonna slice into this beautiful crust. Now check out the result of this. This bread here is super tasty, and it's great for sandwiches or whatever you want to make with it. I've also used this for garlic bread. Super tasty. I want you to go ahead and give it a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.